Welcome to Silverback Haulers, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in 7 Mile, Ohio. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out clutter, or managing a construction site, Silverback Haulers provides reliable and efficient dumpster rental services. We've established enduring partnerships with local businesses, community organizations, construction companies, school districts, parks, and individuals seeking the best dumpster rental 7 Mile has to offer, catering to a wide range of waste disposal needs. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes, perfect for any project, big or small. Our dumpsters are ideal for residential cleanouts, commercial projects, and construction debris. We collaborate with top industry manufacturers to provide high-quality, cutting-edge equipment, making our options for waste disposal effortless for any project. Our professional team ensures timely delivery and pickup so you can focus on your project without interruptions. We pride ourselves on our punctuality and commitment to customer satisfaction. With Silverback Haulers, you can keep your worksite clean and organized. Our dumpsters are perfect for disposing everything from household junk to construction materials. Choose Silverback Haulers for your next project and experience the best dumpster rental in 7 Mile, Ohio. Visit our website today at www.silverbackhaulers.com dumpster rental 7 Mile OH or call us at 513-833-7144 to book your dumpster and get started. Silverback Haulers, your reliable partner in waste management.